Welcome to Sparrow, your workspace for testing APIs with clarity and efficiency. In this guide, we'll walk you through the core features of organizing your work using collections, folders, and REST API requests. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your workflow, follow these simple steps to create, organize, and manage your API structure effectively. Create a new collection in Sparrow. Step 1. Access the collections. Start by hovering over the collections line item located in the left sidebar. You'll notice a plus icon appear. Step 2. Add a new collection. Click the plus icon to begin creating a new collection. A modal will appear. Inside the modal, click on the Add Collection button. A new collection will now be added to the left sidebar. Step 3. Rename the collection. A detailed collection explorer will open on the right-hand side, RHS. Click on the New Collection text at the top. An input field will appear. Update the collection name as desired. Click the Save icon to save the name. Now that your collection is ready, let's add some REST API requests to it. Step 1. Choose how to add a request. You have two options to add a REST API request. Click the plus icon next to the collection name in the left sidebar, or click the New button in the Collection Explorer on the RHS. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Add REST API. Step 2. Enter API request details. A new REST API will be created under the collection, opening a dedicated REST API tab in the RHS panel. Fill in the necessary details such as request URL, headers, parameters, authentication. Click Send to test the request, or click the Save icon to save the request. Step 3. Rename or delete the request. Hover over the REST API request in the left sidebar. Click the ellipsis icon next to it. From the drop-down, select Rename REST API. An input field appears. Update the name and press Enter. Delete. A modal will appear. Confirm by clicking the Delete button. With requests added, you might want to organize them into folders for better management. Let's look at how to do that next. Step 1. Hover over the collection. In the left sidebar, hover over the collection where you want to add a folder. Click the plus icon next to the collection name. Step 2. Add a new folder. A drop-down will appear. Select Add Folder. A new folder will be added under the collection, and a tab containing folder details will open in the RHS panel. Step 3. Rename the folder. Click on the New Folder text. An input field will appear. Update the name accordingly. Click the Save icon to confirm. Once your folder is ready, let's learn how to add REST API requests directly into it. Choose how to add the request. There are two ways to create a request inside a folder. Click the ellipsis icon next to the folder name in the sidebar, or click the New button in the Folder Explorer on the RHS. Upon clicking the ellipsis icon, a drop-down will appear. Click on Add REST API. You're now ready to make the most out of Sparrow's streamlined API testing.